All right, good morning, everybody. Justin and Leon here, FNK Classic Cars.
Yes.
We're on another adventure.
Yes. And
For your entertainment.
We're going to try to buy a car, which it may or may not be any good.
That's
we
right.
don't know yet. The pictures look so the car could be or could be
Spectacular. Or that.
But
it could be a big...
it's neat. So...
Well, they already know what it is if they're watching the video because it's in the thumbnail.
All right, it's a 60 Chevy.
Right.
Bel Air or Biscayne, 2-door post.
Yeah. Blue, like a blueberry.
Small block automatic. It should be pretty cool if it's any good. We're going to get down here and inspect it, and if it's any good, we'll put it on the trailer just behind us, which you can't see because the trailer's way down low.
It's back there, we promise. So we'll check back in periodically. Let you know how this is going. Of course, you know the video will look like it's just.
And if we end up with it, you know, we'll have a couple of pictures of it on a trailer. And this is Sunday, so hopefully.
Yes.
Are you gonna put it up tonight or Tuesday?
Well, probably tonight if it.
Right, so we might get it up tonight. Anyway, I gotta edit something else. We might put the video up tonight.
Right.
And it'll be a blue car with doors and windows and probably no bottom because you know it's a 60 Chevy. It's probably rotted.
Who cares?
But it is supposed to run. I haven't had much coffee, so apparently I can't talk.
Yeah, we got them. We brought them. We have them. Yeah, we're working on it.
All right, we'll see you.
We'll see you soon. Getting close, everybody. We're on the bridge. The Bay Bridge, Chesapeake Bay. Yep. All right, we're pulling up, people. We're in
1,000 feet,
Barclay.
your destination will be on the left.
And you can probably hear the GPS. I'm sorry if you do. But we're getting there.
Well, now we know where we're at, so you can turn the GPS off.
Yeah. So it's up here. Somewhere.
We're getting there.
Almost. Just about. Nearly there.
I see it.
There it is. And here we are. And we've arrived.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, we're gonna go check it out and we'll check back in.
I'll just go right down here and come back.
All right, quick test drive. We're in it.
It should be nice. That's pretty much all I want to know. The gas gauge either doesn't work or it's out of gas.
Yeah.
Either way. They're my goggles.
And it's got those high-mounted mirrors.
Tiny mirrors, you can't see nothing out of them.
Well, we're gonna load her up. Say hi, Leon.
Hey, what's up? Hey, make sure I drive.
Do you want to drive off the trailer?
Yeah.
All right.
I want to total my truck too.
All right. Well, we'll make sure we total the truck and the trailer and the car. Come on up. You are good to go, sir. All right, do it.
I'm above the. Holy crap! Is it that wide on the other side?
Yeah, I think so. She's a wide one. Well, as you can see, we have bought it. And I'm going to ratchet it down. All right, we're loaded up.
2 thumbs.
Yeah.
Now listen, look at me. 2 thumbs.
Yeah.
Wait. This thing is
she's.
it's neat. It's neat though. It's a 60.
Mm-hmm.
It's you know, I had that 60 that had half a roof, and that thing was neat.
Yeah.
At least this one's more complete than that. It's got a.
True.
He said a 327, but it's either a 327 or 283. It's a small balancer, and
Right.
it's got a turbo 350 in it, which is good instead of a quad. This one was actually a 283 2-barrel. I gotta go 301 right there.
Yep.
So it was a 283 2-barrel 3-speed on a column car.
Right.
You know, stick.
Biscayne. Yep.
And now it's it looks a little bit like a Bel Air. They added a couple pieces of trim, and then it's got a 283 or a 327 2-barrel and a turbo 350 in it. So it's a nice, just put it in gear and go car now.
Right.
And they did update the master cylinder. It's got dual master cylinder. It's manual, but it's dual master cylinder. So that's nice. If you lose one brake line, you don't lose all your brakes.
Yeah.
So I think it'll be fun.
Yeah. All right. Let's go grab some lunch.
Yeah, like
Get on back to the homestead, and then we'll walk around this thing real quick and give you the final details.
Yeah, and then we'll come back, you know, with another video after we clean it up. I think it's going to get wheels, because those wheels are terrible.
Yeah, they're terrible.
But you know, whatever, it is what it is. It's a neat little car, and I think it'll be fun.
Yep. All right.
Thank you guys.
We'll be right back. All right, we made it back.
After Mom's classic cars.
What?
I mean, classic car.
Okay.
I'm delirious. It's hot.
All right, we're gonna get out. Yeah, it's hot. We're gonna get out and look at it. You ready?
No.
All right, come on, let's go. All right.
You want to take it off the thing?
Yeah, you want to take it off the thing? Look at that big rabbit.
I'll just back.
Oh, it's got bird doo-doo on it already.
They had that on it when we were born.
Wow. They left a deposit.
Yeah, they were interested, but they didn't buy it.
All right, let's unload it and
Now, come here a minute first.
walk around this. Betsy.
I want you to see this, guys. This is a tailpipe
Oh yeah.
and also a curb feeler.
Yeah. Yeah,
Sticks out a good 8 inches.
That's classy there.
Or grab your leg and rip your shin off.
Yeah,
whatever.
whichever.
All right, so let me put the windows down this hot pile.
All right, let me unstrap the back and pull the ramps, and then we'll get this thing off of here. Where's the keys? Do you need them? Did you leave the keys in the truck?
You left the keys in the truck.
Yeah.
Remember you hid them when we went to the restaurant.
Hide the keys.
Only a blind man would feel.
There they are.
I'm melting.
You're Milton? I thought that was your father.
Melting.
Oh.
It's 300 degrees in here.
Molten lava.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Do it. Oh, look at that. All right, back it up. Straight. Straight. Good. 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 Keep going. And you're off. Yeah.
Well, if I put that in the shade, will you still be able to do a walk around?
Yeah. Yeah, put it in the shade so we don't melt.
All right, here we are
All right,
again.
we're back.
Now, let me put the hood down. He didn't record last time.
I thought I was recording, but I was just taking pictures apparently.
Okay, so I already took the hood pins out, as you can tell.
Mm-hmm.
And what has
We're
hood
here.
pins.
All right. Let's look at the car.
Look here. Chevrolet.
Look at that. Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
1960.
1960, yeah.
Well,
Not
there you are.
1860.
All right, open the hood again.
I'm going to do the Mexican hat dance on the hood in a minute.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah. I just about enough of your shit, mister.
Mm-hmm.
Easter. So anyway.
There it is.
It's a 327-283.6.7.
Huh?
I have no idea what I just said.
Okay.
It's a motor.
Yeah, it
It's
is.
an alternator. It's a radiator.
Is it a motor or an engine?
It's both.
It's
It's an engine because it's gasoline. Gasoline. So it's got these fender liner things.
Yeah,
Very
look at
nice.
that.
It's got a dual master cylinder, which is a good upgrade because if you have a single master cylinder, you lose a line, you're pretty much done.
Yeah, that's true.
So it's a 3.227. A 3.227.
That's different.
Either a 327 or a 283.
Yeah, we'll have to
And
figure that out.
It's a 2-barrel. You know, starts right up, runs like a good. Runs like a good.
Runs like a good. All right.
Runs like a top. All right, now look at this.
What?
Come around here. Look at how beautiful that grill is.
Girl.
And the bumper's even good.
Yeah.
Both bumpers are half decent for as
They're even 3/4 decent.
Yeah, I mean it's as rough as the car. You can tell the car is pretty rough to start with. you know, some of the stuff's pretty good. The interior's not bad at all. Open the door.
Don't tell me what to do.
Get on in there. You know what I'm saying?
Look at there.
Yeah. The interior's pretty decent.
Not bad.
Yeah. Not compared to the rest of the car. Compared to this car is very bad. I can't talk. But the rest of the car is very bad. I'll show you in here.
Do it.
Now look at this.
Ah.
If you need luggage for 6 months, you can fit it all in here. If you want to move, you can put everything in your house in here.
Yeah.
Kitchen sink, dining room table, couch, everything will fit.
She's a beauty. Beauty.
Look how big the deck is. And then the trunk, bring your thing over here. Trunk goes up underneath the package tray. So if you need to haul some long 2x4s or something, it's like a pickup truck basically.
So I guess this thing was a reddish color at one point.
Maybe. Who the hell knows?
It's hard to say.
It was definitely, yeah, it was probably red. There was a little red.
Yeah, some red up there too.
But, you know, it's Julietta.
Betty Page.
I don't know what that's all about.
Well, I guess that's the name of the car.
I don't know.
And probably a person, I would imagine.
It's got the little trim here.
Who's Betty Page? Put it in the comments. Put it in the comments.
Who gives a shit?
Now I gotta bleep it. Thanks.
This door opens too.
I see.
Which is convenient if you want to get in on this side. I want to show you something. See this seat?
Yeah.
This?
I see it.
Alright, it's got padding underneath the cover and then there's springs under that.
Yeah. That's how that
I
works.
just wanted to let you know. And it folds forward so you get in the rear.
Nice.
Whoa.
Hey,
back
easy. This is a family channel.
It's got a headliner still. Yeah, it's a neat little, you know. You know.
All right, well, everybody, what do you think? How did we do?
Terrible.
Did we do okay?
No. Never in a million years.
All right, let's get the wide shot.
The wide shot for the wide load. I mean, that's not terrible.
No.
That's not good, but it's not terrible.
It'll do.
Hey,
Yeah.
I've owned worse.
Oh, we've had much worse.
Actually, if you guys go back a little ways,
You'll see it.
look at me. If you guys go back a little ways,
Uh-huh.
there's half of one of these
Yeah.
with an LS in it.
We can thank Irvin for that.
Yes.
Our good buddy.
And it went
Thanks, Irv.
somewhere. Somebody did something with it.
Yeah.
It was not quite as nice as this one.
Now here's some more of that red color. Right in there.
Yeah, it was bread.
Okay.
I kind of like the blue and the silver.
Oh yeah, I like the blue and the silver.
I mean, it's too bad it's a little bit on the cheese whiz side of life, but
That's all right.
you know, that's good enough.
Absolutely.
You could ride around in it. We got some thumbs up coming home with it. I mean, it's, you know,
Not bad.
other than catching your leg on the tailpipe, it's pretty nice. Trip over the tailpipe,
Trip over it.
fall in the street.
All right, it's time to say goodbye to everybody.
All right, goodbye, everybody.
Hey, all right. Everybody, goodbye.
All right, well, hold on a second. All right, now.
My arm's tired.
Yeah, that's terrible. Should have brought your selfie thing.
Well,
It's sticky.
I was unprepared today.
All right, yeah. It also didn't bring microphones, so if you don't hear any of this, that's why.
It'll be okay.
So, anyway, this car
Uh-huh.
is a 60 Chevy.
Biscayne.
Biscayne. It was originally a V8, 3-speed on a column stick.
Yep.
Well, that's a neat old pile.
Uh-huh.
You know, it's a 60 with 2 door handles, so I mean there ain't a whole lot of them left. You know, it's older than dirt, so I think it'll be fun.
Yeah.
Mess with it.
I
I
think
mean,
we
it's
did
definitely better than that other 60 I had.
Yeah.
I mean, the other 60 had a LS motor in it, but if you remember right, it only had about half a roof.
Yeah. About
It
half
was a
a roof.
4-door hardtop, and somebody was making into a 2-door and
Yeah, they kind of
just turned to turds.
gave up or something.
As Mr. Amel would say, everything I do to this car turns to turds.
Thank you, Mr. Engel.
So,
Okay. All right.
2 thumbs.
Thanks for watching. Quick
And,
adventure.
In the comments, tell us what you think of it.
Yeah.
Do you like 60s and 59s and 61s and stuff like that, or you tired of this video and stuff? Or you just tired of looking at us? Maybe let us know.
All right. Say goodbye, Leo.
Goodbye, Leon.
All right. See you on the next
2
one.
thumbs way down.
I had a question.
What?
Why does the Norwegian Navy have barcodes on their ships? So when they get back into port, they can Scandinavian.